Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So we did a spur of the moment thing. We went into town and we picked up something. Let's head in here and I'll show you what we got. Aren't they the cutest? Absolutely love it. So the reason we went and we picked up 6 of our Cornish cross meat chickens is because I got a phone call this morning from my extension office. And let me back up a little bit. Last week I actually had a meeting with one of the main guys from our extension office, and I was telling him a little bit about my plan for this year, and that was to be offering a butcher class on processing meat birds. He thought that was a fabulous idea. They don't offer anything like that around here, and I asked if he would want to partner with us in doing this class. He had said that definitely sounds like something that they would want to do, but he needed to first check with his supervisor to see if that's something that they could actually do. I got the phone call this morning that he said yes, that would be perfectly fine. And on top of that, the University of Kentucky has a specialist who is excited about that as well, and she wants to be here during those classes to offer her assistance as well. So we are going to be partnering with our local extension office, and it might even go further into the community as being offered through the University of Kentucky. That's not 100% yet, but that's what it sounds like it's gonna be. So the reason we got these 6 birds, I want to put together a pamphlet of step-by-step instructions on how to process a meat bird. And we needed these 6 before we get our main one so that I can have it already put together for when we start our class. Plus, Reed, who is head of our extension office, he has never done this before and he really wants to see what it's gonna look like. So we got these 6 to do before we get our main meat birds coming. I am so excited, friends. This is the beginning of one of our goals that we had set for ourselves here in 2023, and it has begun. All right, friends, so we're back inside with our chickens, and I went ahead and filled up their waters. We're also putting some electrolytes in their waters. We picked them up from Rural King, and they were just delivered to Rural King today. So they are brand new baby chicks. So they literally just came out of the mail. So I want to make sure that they have their water. My husband is going to get their feed right now. When you first get your meat birds, dunk their beaks in the water so they know that that is their water and they know where to go to get their water. They are cold, and so that's why they're all huddled up together under the heat lamp. Once they warm up a little bit, then they'll start venturing around and checking things out, going to their water and getting their feed. But first they need to warm up. Alright, friends, I am super excited to begin this part of our journey this year in 2023. So let me know down in the comments if you are planning to have any meat birds this year, and if you are, what are you planning on having? Are you going to do the Cornish cross broilers like we have, the Red Rangers, or are you doing a dual purpose breed? Let me know in the comments what you got going. Alright, friends, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.